Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix payment verification failed. For example, if you try to add a payment method and if it is saying to continue verify payment method, if you are unable, you can add a new payment method which will remove all other payments method. Which means if you have recently added a payment method on your iPhone and after that you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. So here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn off the airplane mode. And here you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after clicking on general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do next, you have to simply start the main procedure. As it is written, you have to simply add a new payment method, and after that your all payment method will be removed, and that new payment which you have added will be verified. So how you can add a new payment method? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to click on Apple ID and or name, and you have to click on media and purchase it, and after that you have to simply click on view account, and here you have to simply wait for some time. And after that, what you have to do, you have to provide the verification, and here you have to simply click on manage payments. As you click on manage payments, after that payment method add option will be available. So if you want to remove any payment method, then you have to simply click on the remove option, and after that that payment method will be removed, and after that you will be able to add a new payment method on your iPhone. So in this way you can simply solve the error. If the problem is still there, then you can also go for the Apple Store on Safari, and you can search for the solution of the problem. You can also discuss the problem in Apple discussion, and many of iPhone user will provide you the solution which got the same error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.